At CSIR Institute for Industrial Research Ghana, innovation meets precision. We are equipped with state-of-the-art CNC technology, delivering excellence in subtractive and additive engineering. From custom spare parts to precise machine components, we serve Ghana's agro-processing, mining and manufacturing industries with unmatched quality. Our advanced TNC lathe and milling machines ensure every cut counts. And beyond production, we offer capacity offering hands-on industrial training to empower our next generation of skilled engineers and technicians. Partner with CSIR IIR, where science drives industry and industry drives progress.